Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I am Abbas. I am a student of Globally Spoken English. Today my topic is Importance of Education. First of all, I would like to thank my great teacher who gave me golden opportunity for delivering this speech here. First of all, I would like to say that what is education? Education which gives us the skill and information and knowledge to know and understand and the respect duties we have toward our society and our families and our society and our country. The importance of education is in life is that education teach us a lesson for humanity and honesty. Education help us to develop a good perspective of looking at the world. The modern developed world is running very fast toward education. Nowadays, education has been essential for everyone. And nowadays, education has been essential to survive in competitive world. And education is teach us peace and brotherhood and love to each other. If you wanna to peace and prevent terrorism and war, that's why education is important. Educated person never will be involved in crime and never will be criminal. There is very less chances involved in crime in criminal because his education will not give permission for for crime and will be criminal. And education shows our responsibility and our rights. If everyone knows his responsibility and his rights, that's why never will be fights in our country and our society. And if we will be educated, we can condemn everything's old custom like child marriage and women rights and dowry. And that's why Islam places emphasis on education. The first order of Allah is that Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq, read with help of Allah. And Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said about this matter, talabul ilmi farizatun ala kulli muslimin wa muslima. Education is obligatory for every Muslim, woman and man, every Muslim. And education is very important nowadays. Without education, we are nothing. So I would like to thanks for listening my speech.
आप सभी आदरणीय श्रोता बंधुओं को हमारा सप्रेम नमस्कार, आदाब, सलाम।